How to start a video call on Signal for Android. All Signal messages, voice and video calls are private too. You will be prompted to grant the camera and microphone permission the first time you make or receive a Signal call. Signal video calls are end-to-end encrypted. You can start in two ways a video call. To start a video call, you will need to have the contact on your phone and the person needs to have the Signal app installed. If you do not see the person who you are trying to call, just click on the New Conversation button and click on the person who you want to call. If you want to talk with somebody with who you had the conversation, just tap on a conversation and on the top of the screen you will have two buttons to start a video or audio call. To start a video call on Signal, tap the video icon from the top. From the start, you will be able to switch between the front camera and the rear camera. Leave the camera on or off, and even mute your microphone. Tap on Start Call. The call is starting. If you do not get an answer, then it means the person is not available. On the bottom, you will have four buttons. The first icon is the Switch Camera. If you tap this, you can switch the camera from front to rear. The second button is the Video Call. You can start or stop the camera with this button. If you want to mute your microphone in the call, you can do that by tapping the third button. The last button is the End Call button. If you finish the call, just tap on that. You have now started and finished a video call on Signal for Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.